everyone, this is Catherine. Today I headed over to the Dollar Tree to see what they have in stock for Christmas. So as soon as I walked in the door, the first thing I saw were these super cute motion sensor Christmas ornaments. So I really love these. I thought they would be great for gifts or for decorating. And these are some really fun LED Christmas lights. I thought they were really very pretty. And if you've been enjoying all the content I've been putting out so far, make sure to subscribe. It really helps out my channel. And also, if you have any questions or suggestions on where you'd like to see me shop next, make sure to leave a comment below. I read all the comments. So the next thing I saw were these really wonderful LED lights. The lights were very colorful. They had different colors like blue lights and purple lights. I thought these were really fun. So they had a really great selection of garland and decorations, and here was a really nice selection of gift bags, and I thought they had lots of nice colors. And the one thing that I thought was really cool was they had these gift bags right here, and they're for bikes. I thought that was a really unique idea, especially since bikes can be so difficult to wrap. And of course, my most favorite thing about the Dollar Tree is how everything is actually $1. Unlike in Canada at the Dollarama, it varies in price. So I thought it was really fun that you didn't have to look at the price, you just knew everything would be $1. So they had so many pretty ornaments, and these ones really caught my eye. I thought these would be great for decorating a Christmas tree or a garland. I just love white decorations for Christmas. And this was something that really caught my eye. It was a pickle ornament. I've never seen this before. So I thought it was a really fun idea, and there's a special game written on the side for it as well. So they had a really fun craft section for Christmas. These were some paint your own ornaments, and they also had lots of really fun decorations like pom-poms. They had a really nice selection of uh, fake flowers. I really liked all the sparkly gold decorations and the poinsettias. I thought it was such a good deal for $1 for a bundle of these. And here's the baking section. They had lots of really fun supplies for baking cupcakes and cookies. And here are some photo prop kits. These are always fun for family photos. And I thought these were really pretty. They're candy dishes, and they came in an assortment of different styles. They had snowflakes and trees and red candies. They had a lot of holiday candy to choose from. They had a really great selection this year. They had lots of chocolates and candies that would be great for gift giving or for putting into stockings. And I loved all the different designs that they had. And I really liked that they had holiday Mike and Ike's. Mike and Ike's are one of my favorite candies. I think they're so delicious. They had a small assortment of Christmas cards. I would have liked to have seen more, but the styles that they had were really. I thought they had a few nice designs to choose from. They had. I thought these blue ones were really pretty. And these ones were my favorite. I really love the red car for the holidays. So here's some super cute holiday tins. I think these are super important to get because it's so nice to be able to put your holiday baking into little tins to hand out as gifts. So this was my favorite section of the store. It was all the holiday mugs. I really love creating a hot chocolate station or a coffee station around Christmas, and it's so nice to have a whole bunch of holiday mugs. It really adds such a nice Christmas spirit to my kitchen. So I was really excited to see all the different designs, and I definitely picked up 2 or 3 of these in different colors and patterns, and I can't wait to use them. And well, thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, make sure to leave a comment below. I read through all the comments. And well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.